First, silicone have unique properties amongst polymers because of the simultaneous presence of organic groups attached to a chain of inorganic atoms. They are used in many industries, including those devoted to electronics, paints, construction, and food. Silicones are synthetic polymers with a silicon-oxygen backbone, similar to that in silicon dioxide or silica, with organic groups attached to the silicon atoms by Si bonds. The silicon chain exposes organic groups to the outside. There are three types of silicones that we use for our chemistry project. The first type is 0H, which is the most flexible one, and the second type is the 20H. It's not too flexible and not too hard. And then the last type is the 40H, which is the hardest one among all of the three types of silicones. For the first trial of our chemistry project, we used the 0H type of silicones and the amount is 20 grams. However, we found out that the amount of 20 grams is too much. So after we used the 20 grams of the silicones, we use it for both the rabbits and the decorations, which is the bow of the rabbit. And then for the second and third type, we adjust the type of silicones and the amount of it. So we use 20H type of silicones for our second and third trials. And for the amount, we use 18 grams, which we found out that it's the just right amount of silicones to use for our rabbit product.
For the materials, we use tray, silicone, lab shellac, cup, silicone color, glitter, and stick.
For the procedure, first make the clay soft. Second, use the lab shellac to make the circle shape on the clay. Third, create rabbit ear by using provided material from each file and put a small piece of clay on the center top of the rabbit to create a hole. Fourth, wet silicone. Fifth, put in some silicone color. Sixth, stir the silicone slowly for a little bit. 7. Pour the silicone onto the mold.
Thank you.
Hi Ming, we
Hi.
would like to ask you some questions about the silicone project that's in your hand. Would you mind showing it to us?
This one is our first one, and it is a little bit sloppy because it's our first one. And this one is our second one, and we changed it into pink, so it looks different. I think our third one is the best because we have the bow and the texture is hard enough. You can try and touch it. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so come to the first questions. What are your feelings about while doing this project?
I was very exciting about this. It was my first time touching a real silicone that I've made myself. We have tried and firstly we stamp a circle into our print so that we can make a circle shape like this, and then we carve some of the parts up ourselves. Yes.
Okay, then next question. What do you think is the failure of the project?
We don't have a circle stamp, so we have to use a leg of a chair to push it into a circle. And we didn't use enough time to deal with the first one, so it's a little bit sloppy. Yes.
And then what do you think is the success part of this project?
We make 3 rabbits which are quite similar, and it's very cute. You can see that it's very cute. You see the bow and the stuff, the colors. It's very.
Okay, then next question, and it's the last question. So if you get another opportunity to make this silicone project again, what would you do?
I think I would use more time to make the texture better. This one is still rough, and I don't know, but we can make it better if we put more effort into it maybe, but we don't have enough time, right? Yeah.
Oh, so thank you for your answers, and thank you for today. Bye bye, Ming.